Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you several easy ways to convert your printable PDF files into JPEG files so that you can use the individual images in a photo editing program. I compile all my printables into PDF documents because it's easier to download and print them out. However, there are times when you might need to use individual JPEG files, particularly when using my Junk Journal templates. It's not difficult to convert PDF documents into individual JPEG files, and I'll show you several different ways. If you have a pro version of Adobe Acrobat or similar types of PDF reader, then converting files is easy because the ability to save JPEG files with the pro version is already built in. To convert to JPEG format, from the main menu select File, Export, then select the JPEG option. Or you can go to File, Save As, and select the JPEG option from there. Each of the individual files is then extracted from the PDF document in JPEG format. You can also extract JPEG files using Photoshop or Photoshop Elements. To open the PDF file in Photoshop or Photoshop Elements, from the main menu select File, Open, and then browse to the folder where the PDF file is located. Or you can simply drag the PDF file out of the folder and onto the editing screen. Once the file is on the editing screen, you'll see a small dialog box where you can select the pages that you want to extract. You can select one or several pages, or you can select them all. To select multiple pages, make sure the Pages option is checked. Click on the first page, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and click on the last page. Make sure the size and resolution is correct, then click OK. All the selected pages will then open on the editing screen, and you can then use them or save them individually in JPEG format. In a similar way, you can also convert PDF files using Canva. First, log into your Canva account, then make a new custom document the same size as the pages in your PDF document. All my Junk Journal printables are US paper size, so 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches high. To upload the PDF file, you can use the Upload Files button and select the file from your desktop, or drag the file out of the folder and drop it onto the Canva editor. Once the file has uploaded, click on it and it will expand to display all the JPEG files. You can then use the files or save them in JPEG format. To save the files, click the Share button, then Download. Select JPEG format and quality 100, then Download. You can also convert your files using a free online converter. This website is pdf2go.com. It has lots of different types of converters, but to convert to JPEG format, select the PDF to JPEG option. You can use the Upload button to select your file, or drag it out of the folder and drop it onto the screen. Then wait for the file to upload. Once the file is uploaded, change the DPI setting to 300 and the slider to best quality, then press Start. Wait until the process has completed, then download the files. You can download the files individually or download the zip file that contains the complete set. Once the file has downloaded, unzip the zip file and you'll see all the individual JPEG files inside the folder. Once the files have been converted to JPEG format, you can then use them in a photo editing program to create your junk journal pages and elements using my templates. To use the templates, open a JPEG file together with a template file in your photo editing program. Copy and paste the template or drag and drop it onto a layer above the JPEG layer. Then save the file as a JPEG file and print it out. In Canva, if your template set doesn't already include Canva frames, upload the template and place it on top of the paper. Resize so it fits the paper size.